Rhode Islanders hurt by the collapse of the housing market. It's payback time. Today, a landmark settlement has been reached between the major mortgage lenders and 49 states' attorneys general. Eyewitness News reporter Susan Hogan's been following this developing news all day. She joins us now live with what she's learned.
Well, the settlement forces the nation's biggest banks to offer help to struggling homeowners. It's part of a government move to hold banks accountable for abuses that fueled the collapse of the housing market. 5 banks agreed to a deal now worth at least $25 billion.
Relief for the thousands of homeowners victimized by unlawful foreclosure and loan servicing deals.
America's biggest banks, banks that were rescued by taxpayer dollars, will be required to right these wrongs.
The agreement stems from investigations into foreclosures that followed the burst of the housing bubble. To speed up evictions, workers sometimes signed documents they hadn't read or faxed signatures, a process known as robo-signing. The deal is the broadest plan so far to help borrowers who are underwater on their loans. It allows them to refinance at lower rates or reduce their debt.
There's also money in the deal for people who've lost their homes. Around $1.2 billion will go towards borrowers who foreclosed on their homes between September of 2008 and the end of last year.
That will cover 750,000 people who will receive checks for up to $2,000 each.
We are using this opportunity to fix a broken system and to lay the groundwork for a better future.
Rhode Island's share of the settlement is $172 million. That amount will be broken down and distributed to affected homeowners. Massachusetts receives $318 million in assistance. The deal involves Bank of America, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, and Ally Financial. Those 5 handle more than half of all outstanding mortgages. While the deal brings relief to nearly 2 million homeowners, there are millions of others still at risk.
Now the banks have 3 years to fulfill the terms of that deal. To find out if you are eligible for any of this money, you're being asked to contact your mortgage servicer. In some cases, if you qualify, you will be contacted by your provider directly. I'm Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.